Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Audrey and I'm the person behind Audrey's Crocheting. In today's video, I'm just going to make like a productive vlog on me crocheting while I'm in my husband's hometown. We will be there for like 2 weeks. So I'm not sure how much I can make while I'm there. So yeah, it's just going to be like a productive vlog and see like how much I can make in the span of 2 weeks when I'm not at home. As you guys saw in the time lapse, this is all like a pack. This is like extra yarn that I wind up to bring more yarn there. This is my micro crochet because I want to finish this while I'm there. This is like my crochet hooks, my needles and stuff, all this like extra stuff. And this one are like the bigger yarns that I can't fit in the bags. See, they're also big. So I want to bring this because I have like lots of projects in mind and I really can't wait to make them. So I really want to bring this. So yeah, this is all I'm bringing. These 2 bags of like yarn and stuff. Hopefully this is enough for me to keep me productive for 2 weeks. So yeah. It's still dark outside. Good morning. So we've just arrived at my husband's childhood home. My hair is a mess right now. It's really early. It was a really long ride and it's now like 7 or 8, I'm not sure. But I don't think I'm gonna start crocheting just yet. It was a really long ride, so I'm just going to take a rest for today. Maybe I'll start tomorrow. Hello, voiceover Audrey here. It wasn't long after this that my aunt chatted me and she wanted to order a few more items. She ordered some bees, bunnies, tigers, cat and frogs, all 20 pieces altogether. The only problem is I didn't bring enough yarn, so I'm going to ask my little brother, since he's going to come here in a few days, to bring the yarn that I need to make this order. I'm sorry for the background noise. My children are playing. So I'm finally back home, and to be honest, I did not do a lot when I was at my husband's hometown. My aunt wanted me to make, I already showed you the list of orders that she had, and instead of the regular frog that I always make for her, she wanted this frog. And I thought, it's fine, I can make it. I didn't need a pattern, so I did. After many trial and errors, I still couldn't make it. This is what I came up with. It's horrible. You can already see it. Now, I got the body right. I got it all right. I have the head. I think I have the head right. The eyes are the problems. The eyes are the problems. So it didn't work out. I thought, okay, I'll follow the pattern on Pinterest. It turns out it's really, really big. The biggest, it goes up until 28 stitches, and 28 stitches for keychains are really big. And that's just the head. If you add the body, it might be this big. Yes? Oi! Sorry. So I had to tell my aunt that I couldn't make this, and she was okay. She told me to make the other things that she ordered, so I am making that right now. It was really hard to make this small amigurumis there, because this needs a lot of stuff. I need the eyes, scissors, stuffing, and if it's not your own house, it's hard to bring around with you, especially with a lot of children around. So instead, I made lots of bags. I say a few bags, not lots of bags. What am I saying? Mommy! Okay. I just made this too. For 2 weeks, this is all I made. She's calling her grandma. My brother is making fun of me. Okay. First bag I did. This was supposed to be a frog, but when I made the body, it became an avocado. So I said, screw it, I'll make an avocado. So this is the body. I really don't have dark green. If I do, I really would have added this is the front and the dark green would be the back to make it more avocado realistic. And this is the seed of the avocado. I made a little hole here to add the zipper in. So I'm going to sew it over here like this. I'm going to add zippers here and make it into a bag. I'm going to make a full show of this on TikTok. But for now, this is all you see. It's very spacious. It's really actually really big. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. Masuklah. Okay, that's the avocado bag. Next, I made, this is one of my husband's requests, like idea, a bear, like a bear shaped bag. This is the shape for now. I haven't connected the two yet, so these the ears. I'm going to connect the body like I connect the avocado, like this. And then I'm going to add like paws, the hands, the face. But this, for now, this is what the body looks like. It's the same concept as the avocado. I'm going to add like zippers on top. Again, really, I'm so sorry about like the background noises, because it's like I have children, so. And yes, that's all I did during my 2 week stay at my husband's hometown. Turns out it really is, I mean for me, I don't know for others. Turns out it's really hard. Turns out it's really hard to focus on making things when you're away from your home. At least for me it is. Thankfully, I bought the bigger yarn, so at least I did make something. Oh, and I mostly focus on your orders on TikTok during the stay, so that's great too. Anyway, if you reach until the end of the video, thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you.